Not again. Guys, welcome back to Supercar Street Racing once again. And we are here with this Hiyard doormat that we're going to be opening and taking a look at today. Now, as you could see outside earlier, that doormat that we had before on the outside not only got really dirty from all the construction with the door, but also it was so lightweight and thin that every time my yard people came around, they blew the thing into oblivion. So today, we've got a better alternative with this Hiyard doormat. Sitting in the SCSR compound with this beautiful Hiyard floor mat, and we do have the SCSR scissors that I still have PTSD from, because as you know, in the last video they sliced my finger wide open and it was not fun. So what we're going to do right now is open this carefully and hopefully not destroy our fingers in the process like we did last time. So no touching the actual blade. And we open up this Hiyard floor mat so we can take a look at the inside of this packaging. And right here it just says Doormat MAT. Keep your home away from mess and be clean and tidy. Keep your home away from mess. Trap dust, easy to clean, absorb water, widely use. So another hilarious, badly translated thing there inside the package. And getting this thing completely opened up. It is pretty heavy. This weighs about, I would say about 10 pounds. And then the rest of this is going to involve taking this outside and getting it all laid out in front of the SCSR Studio. So let's take it out there right now. All right, guys, we are out here in front of the Supercar Street Racing Studios, and we have the brand new floor mat right here. Let's go ahead and get that installed and see if that prevents our yard people from blowing my floor mat away every single time they come. Now this will take a few days to kind of settle and flatten, but it's much heavier than the old one. You can see here it just kind of unrolls. I have the same one inside the studio door. And basically it will eventually become flat. And let's get this thing straight and lined up in front of the door. Just like that. Goes nicely all the way up against it and hides the ugly bottom of the door. And there we have the floor mat installed outside of the Supercar Street Racing Studios. It is just not the right. There we go. Now it's kind of perfect. Guys, welcome back to the Supercar Street Racing 4K production studio. We are out here having a great time and making videos for you guys. And one of my pet peeves is that I had this tiny little cheap dollar floor mat, and I don't even remember where I got it. I think from IKEA a long time ago or something. And every time my yard people come, they take their leaf blower and they blow it right away. And yes, they should put it back, but they don't. And I've told them a million times. So today, right here on the screen, you can see right here in front of us, we are taking a look at the Hiyard durable front floor mat. It's supposed to be absorbent, and it can like take all the mud off of your shoes. It's dirt resistant, non-slip rubber, and this size that I ordered was 36 by 24 here, as you can see right here on the screen. Now it also does come in a 30 by 17 configuration if that is better for you. It comes in beige, which you can see right here. Now we'll take a look at the bigger view there. It's black there, but in beige, the bigger view looks like that. And it does also come in gray, which looks like that. And so if you order the 36 by 24 in black like I did, you will have the one that we just saw sitting right there out on the ground. And then here's some other little pictures for you guys to check out. Now it says it's the perfect size, 24 by 36, 0.3 inches thick. Captures dirt and moisture. It has a non-slip rubber backing. And it says it's fade and stain resistant. Let's hope so, because it is outside. It says it's low profile and versatile, meaning the door can open right over it and not get caught on it, we're hoping. And then it says it is also easy to clean up. And let's take a look at some of the things in the review section. So if we go to the reviews up here, this guy does have a 4.7 overall review. Not many one-star reviews, but let's take a look and see what that says. Not very absorbent or resistant. So it says that the dirt won't come off and it doesn't absorb as well as it claims to on the one-star review. Now, some of the 5-star reviews say that it's a good doormat, decent quality, good price, nice weight. Works perfectly outside of the front door, and I agree it does. Looks nice, matches well, and this is a very nice doormat. Dependable and stylish entryway essential. Looks like this person got this free from Vine way back in the day, or actually June 7th. So you can see right here, I don't know what Vine Voice is per se, but you can see right there, it does have a lot of good reviews. And let's take a look at some of the alternatives. So let's go back up to the Hiyard Durable Front Floor Mat. Absorbent, muddy, dirt resist, welcome doormats, outdoor, indoor, non-slip, natural, rubber, backing, low profile doormat for entryway, patio. 36 by 24 black. What a description, guys. $29.99 is what I paid for this floor mat. It is 2-day where I am, 2-day shipping, not today. 2-day shipping. And here's some of the alternatives. There is one for $37. There is another Gorilla Grip Ultra Absorbent here for $24.99. There is a Gorilla Grip Waterproof for $17.94. There is a Yamorba Durable Front, almost looks the same, but it's a 29 by 17, so you have to take that into account on the price right here. And it is $9 right now. And we do have this Home Ideas 24 by 36 for $21.99, that if you want to give that a little comparison. And then we have some 4 stars and above down here in the reviews. This Mobeo, which actually looks like a completely different type of material with a rubber backing there. We have this Pure Rugs Dust Trapper Doormat, non-slip entry for $31.99 as well. Another couple of Hiyards, a Dexy and a doormat there. And no one did any video reviews at the bottom, so I don't have any video to show you guys. And then there is some down here that also have a word printed on it like hello, that if you like those, you can take a pic out of those. There's some down here with actual designs on it that say things like freedom, if you're into that kind of thing. Here's a multi-stripe one, the Kit Enjoy Indoor Floor Mat Only. That's an indoor, so it may not work for what you need. We need it also outdoor. And here are some of the reviews with images. You can see it right outside. That looks like that's inside of somebody's front door there. This one right here, also inside the front door. They're using that for indoor. And there's a good close-up picture of it right there. Another good close-up of the gray. And one sitting, looks like outdoor on a deck. People were using it outside. And yeah, guys, so the Hiyard Outdoor Floor Mat, I do have 2. There is one sitting on the inside of the Supercar Street Racing Studios right here in front of the door, and then I added the second one outside the door there for when you come in from the outside, because it's sometimes wet out there, because this is a directly out outdoor studio room with no connection inside of the house. Guys, let's take a minute to talk about the Supercar Street Racing channel. We bring you high quality reviews in 4K, and we do actually lose money from the channel. So we would love it if you would click for the description down below, click in the description down below, and order things through our official affiliate link. Now, that doesn't mean you have to order this exact product. Any of our videos that you see affiliate links in, you can click that affiliate link and order anything you want on Amazon. It gives me a small credit to help pay for the Supercar Street Racing station, because we do lose money on the station. Now, coming up tomorrow, we do have a review of a portable blender. It is a rechargeable blender, and I'm pretty hyped about this. It's a pretty cool little product, so hopefully you guys come back tomorrow, and we thank you for your support. Please like and subscribe down below as well, and we will see you next time, because you know what's up now. Peace.